just dropped. Hi guys, Dimpesh here, back with another video, and this time we have the Micromax Canvas Infinity Pro. So this is the unboxing and first impressions of the Micromax Canvas Infinity Pro. It's not the regular Infinity which costs around 10,000 bucks. It is the Pro, which has some advantages over the regular Infinity. So let's quickly unbox it. So this is how it looks. In the box itself, you will get all the specifications already. So it has 18:9 high screen ratio. This has 20 megapixel dual selfie camera with flash. It has 16 megapixel rear camera, a 5.7-inch HD IPS display, 4 GB RAM and 64 GB internal storage. It is powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon processor, and it has 3000 mAh battery. It runs on Android Nougat. So let's see what's inside the box. So here it has a non-removable battery. It has a fingerprint sensor at the back, along with 16 megapixel rear camera. In front we have dual cameras with a flash. It has the headphone jack, Apple. Let's quickly run around through what's inside the box. So of course you'll find some paperwork. Okay, so it has a transparent cover, which is always welcome. It has some paperwork. It has the wired headphones, and it has the charger. It doesn't support fast charging, it's just the normal charger. Yeah, so that's pretty much it. I'm gonna use it as my daily driver for next couple of weeks, and I'm gonna give you the features which I really liked and the features which I really don't like. There are certain disadvantages of having this. It doesn't have fast charging. It doesn't have 1080p screen. It only supports 720p HD. It doesn't have a dual camera at the back, and it doesn't support face recognition. So there are certain disadvantages of having this phone as well, but of course this is what you get for the price you're paying. I'll share a video with you featuring 10 things which I really liked about this phone, and that's about it for now. See you in the next video. Bye.